Holy cow, it is hot outside today, but luckily everything that we're doing today is all going to be inside in the comfort of AC. So today we're here at Icon Park, which is really cool. Kind of part of our little stay from Wyndham Orlando Resort on International Drive, which is really nice. So you guys should go check that out. So Icon Park invited us out as part of our little Wyndham Orlando Resort on International Drive stay. And they have gifted us the Play Pass. If you don't know what that is, it grants you a one-time entry to a lot of the attractions here, mainly the Wheel, Madame Tussauds, and Sealife Aquarium.
Yes.
Plus, there's like a little train that runs around here. You can do that. And then there's the 7D experience. I haven't seen that before.
Me either.
But we'll probably check that out today too. So it's $55 right now. And it's a special that they're running for Florida, Georgia, and Alabama residents. So pretty cool. I think for 55 bucks, that's not too bad at all.
No, that's not bad at all.
For everything that you can do here.
Yeah.
And that wheel is a lot of fun.
We are heading into Madame Tussauds, and if you can't tell, masks are required. So for right now, this is what we gotta do. But it's still gonna be a good time. And we're in air conditioning, so it makes it so much easier. So if you don't know, we have actually been here before. It's just been years. So we're hoping to see a few different things, which we saw some previews out front, and I'm pretty sure there are. But it's just so funny to see like how tall celebrities actually are whenever you come in here. Because I mean, it's not like every day you see these celebrities in public. In movies, they look so tall. Alright, this next one is definitely the best wax figure in the whole museum. It's Walt Disney. Alright, so this has got to be some new stuff because I don't remember this. DC comic.
Breaking news out of Metropolis. An explosion at the Orest Central Computing Facility has caused a Sealife technological disruption.
This is actually pretty cool. Okay, so I know Spider-Man is not DC Comics, but if you've ever been on the Spider-Man ride at Universal, this really feels like the set for the attraction, like walking in here. And I've always wanted to walk like through attractions, so this like kind of gives you that vibe. Oh my gosh, that looks just like Jason Momoa. Like that is legit. Oh my god. So this is actually only the second time I've ever been into a wax museum, and I think it's really awesome because when you go into it, you kind of just think they're gonna look like life-size dolls, but then sometimes you turn a corner and it's like, whoa, that actually looks real, like a real person. And I mean, it's not just like a few of them in there like that. A lot of them in there are just like identical, and it's crazy. Like, it's like they stepped right out of the TV or whatever, your phone, into real life. It's so crazy. I love it though.
But going off of what Taylor was saying, I do think that they look so incredibly real, especially Aquaman. I mean, I'm not used to seeing him that way, but he looks like a real person. Even like when you quickly pan up, it's like, holy cow, is that a real person? And they do a phenomenal job. I think it's also really cool just to see how tall some of the people actually are and how short some of the people are. Because in movies, a lot of times it's all about the angle of the camera and making you look a little bit bigger than what you are. We're gonna go into Sealife right now and check out the aquarium. I love aquariums. It's like one of my favorite things, just like zoos, because I'm into like, you know, animals and stuff. So something that I really love about coming to aquariums and kind of being immersed into these different habitats is that not only do you get to see some really cool fish, but you also get to learn about a lot of different things too. They kind of explain some of the things that they're doing on the outside. So obviously they're trying to educate people in here, but they also have some foundations that they work with too. And here, one of the foundations that they're working with is one that's in Iceland that is helping to protect beluga whales, save them if they've been injured or harmed, and then reintroduce them back into the wild. Our next stop at Icon Park is the Wheel. At 400 feet in the air, you get a bird's eye view of Orlando's attractions. And the round trip is roughly 18 minutes long, and it can hold up to 15 guests. But right now, due to circumstances, every party gets their own capsule. We always enjoy this attraction, and while it may be a little less thrilling than our next attraction, it's still fun to see all that Orlando has to offer in one go. Our final stop here at Icon Park is the Starflyer. You can see additional video from our stay at Wyndham Orlando Resort International Drive. Not a lot going on there. I would turn around and show you, but I'm a little afraid. But this is the first time I have ever been scared when riding an attraction. It's quite the thrill, but certainly not for everyone. You must be 44 inches to ride, and it does close down for inclement weather, so plan accordingly. I can't even look down. I literally can't even look down. I can't even relax my legs. I keep tensing up. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this taste of additional attractions here in Orlando. That's not just the theme parks. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will see you all in the next one.